Hello guys! Good morning! So, medyo makulimlim ngayon. Pero naglaba pa rin ako. Kasi medyo, na yun, madami-dami kaya naglaba ako. Makulimlim kaya ngayon. So, nakapaglinis na rin ako. Magplaplansya na lang ako ng damit ni Blood. Ayun o. Makulimlim ngayon guys. Wala akong vlog kahapon. Wait lang. Maliwanag na. Maliwanag na tong camera kasi pinunasan ko siya. So, kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ito, plaplansyahin ko tong mga damit niya kasi nga, ito yung mga pang trabaho niya na puti. At saka yung pantalon. Hello guys, good afternoon. So, 2:00 na ng hapon. Oh, narinig ata ako ni Max. Tinataholan ako ni Max. Nag-ano lang ako guys, nag-edit. For guys pala, for upload na. So guys, for upload na yung video. Ayan guys. Sana mapanood nyo. Salamat. Ang thermal yung panahon ngayon guys. Kung kanina, makulimlim, umaambon. Ngayon, sumisilip na si Haring Araw. Guys, meron pala kami ditong peras. Kasi ang nila, ang tawag nila para. I don't know. Hindi ko matandaan. Hindi, peras. Peras yon. Kaso ang lilit niya, ganyan kalalaki. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yun, galing sa garden. Kasi kagabi umulan, siguro naglaglagan. So, namulot lang kami doon. Sabi kasi ng ginan kong babae. Pwede yan kasi lang naman yan. Pwede pang kainin yan kasi kagabi lang naman yan naglaglagan kasi humangin-hangin dito. Inom pala ako ng ganito guys. Hindi ko pa naubos. Di ba nung Sabado pa to? Yes, inom lang ako. Nanonood pala ako guys sa Beeflex. Sa Beeflex ako nanonood kasi libre siya. Dito na si Blood guys, kakarating lang niya. Tignan natin. Papasok na siya dito sa loob. Salamin, Maxi! Tignan niyo si Maxi. Maxi! Bilis niya, doon na siya. Si Maxi naghahantay din na. Look at Maxi, he's waiting you. Ciao.
You be there.
I'm going to prepare na.
You be there.
Hey. Everyone, good afternoon. So, cloudy today.
Yeah,
Kasi
it might
umulan
rain.
kanina.
It might rain.
So, lalabas na naman kami. Bibili kami ng baon niya for tomorrow. So,
Something different.
hindi kami maglalakad ngayon.
I don't know what.
We're going with car.
Yeah, because it might rain, so
Yes.
it's much better to be
To be safe.
safe even it's raining. But we get wet like professionals.
Like last time na naglakad kami, yung ang init-init tapos biglang umulan, takbo kami. Ayun, pagod kaya yan, meron akong bukol dito.
Just said.
Kaya nagkaroon ako ng bukol dito, hindi natuloy na na fever. I think
You
this
okay
is
now?
the reason.
That one,
Yeah. Yung
What to eat, love?
anything.
I want to eat something different.
What do you like? What kind of different?
you
I
said
don't
what?
like cash kebab.
But you can eat.
Yeah, I don't like it. I mean the carnuts kukash kabal. I don't like it.
How it's called that one? The
Because mama coco
niche, but
Bridget Mitch.
my stomach it's a bit.
Guys, andito na kami sa Profi. Dito kami bibili.
I did. Not a problem.
Da.
One tray, that's why.
Aray ko.
Oh my god, the park ready to be straight. No, really,
Ha?
the park first.
Pinagyayabang niya guys, nakapark daw siya ng mabuti. Eh di wow, congratulations. Let's go now.
Wow.
Ha? Oh my gosh, I'm so chubby. Ice cream. Of course, as usual.
No, I'm not with alcohol, but I'm with soda. So you know me already.
Bine, if you say so.
One for work.
No, I don't buy two. I'm overacting.
I know. Look at my car. How it
Da.
stays there. Like a professional.
Where are we going now?
Why do it?
Okay, let's go, let's go. Remove it later.
Oh, I know him. I do. I know him. He's a football player.
Bid.
Doesn't know what he's done. He did. Let's park here. Why not?
38 all?
Da.
Really?
Da.
Ay,
Yeah.
ang lakas ng boses
6
ko.
pieces of that one.
Ang lakas ng boses ko. Nagulat kasi ako sa price. 38 lei lang daw yung binayaran
Which
niya.
one you like, love?
Of course, the carnuts.
Which one? Kashkaval you
Ay,
want?
no, carnuts only. I told you, I don't like crush kabal.
I make Kashkaval and the other 6 also, please.
Da.
And 2 remain for tomorrow.
Da. Siguro. Pauwi na kami, guys. So, guys, ito yung binili namin sa Penny. Carnuts. Ay, sausage pala to. So, iluluto ko to. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Tapos, meron din sa lamesa yung carnuts kukash ka ba. I can use this one.
Which one?
From Mitch.
Huh? That
From-
one, yes, you can, love.
From Mitch.
Da. Vad är det som är där, Nick? Så flyger.
So, gagamitin ko yung mantikang luma. Okay. Lagay ko na to. Lalagyan ko din to ng tubig. Ito na yung iuuna ko. Mas mabilis kasi ito maluto. Kaysa yung karnat ko cash kabal. Parang ano to guys, parang longganisa. Mas gusto ko kasi ito kaysa yung cash kabal, yung carnuts ko cash kabal. Kasi yung, ano yung cash kabal kasi yung cheese.
You want to cook?
Ha?
You want to cook?
Maybe you.
Yeah, I want to maybe. Che faccio vedere?
This is the
Look at me.
one we got in... Oh my gosh. You're getting big too. Guys, ito yung peras na nakuha namin sa garden. Ang liit, di ba? Ang cute niya.
Pear.
Pear.
You wanted pears on me? You like it?
Ang harap.
Enjoy love. Enjoy it. My gosh. My feet. My feet
Tinahin ko na.
a bit.
Malilit pa siya.
How do you feel?
Ito yung carnot kukas kabal, guys.
Passiento. No good passiento.
Apat tong kinuha niya, pero dalawa lang yung ipiprito ko.
Bere?
Da?
How is it there?
Well, it's fine.
How was it there?
It was good, you know. How about you?
Good on me.
Ito na guys. So, meron kami ditong, tingnan nyo, oh, yung kanin na may karne ulit. At saka yung sarmali nila. Sarap. Eh, naglalaro siya ng Star Wars, guys. Ayan siya. Oh. I thought it's recording, but it's not.
Oh my god, I have to be back then.
Oh my God! So, why are you showing your, bear,
I like in Philippines now.
Oh, yeah, sure. Na guys, malapit na maluto.
Ano luto po?
Kanina guys, ubuti na lang na bawasan. Ngayon kakain na naman kami, siguro madadagdag na naman. Nagkilo kami at 62.2 na lang ako, siya 83.
Me and...
So, kakain na naman kami. Siyempre, wala pang lawan yun. Pag kakain na naman kami, madadagdagan na naman yun, siyempre. Diba?
Sempre, sempre. Canada.
Siyempre.
Ganda
Diba? Siyempre. You wanna show your kili-kili?
Yes. Power.
Kili-kili power.
It's very powerful.
So guys, ito na yung finished product. So, let's eat guys. Ito yung carnuts ko, cash kabal. Ayan. Para sa kanya yan. Ito yung carnuts. Ay, sausage lang sa akin. Yes. Kain. Say kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain din kayo.
Kain din kayo.
Eat well.
Diyan.
Kain guys.
Kain.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain. Hugasan ko na lang to. Pagkatapos niyan, manonood na ako ng Korean action series yun guys. What games? Ha? Stay there. yung gusto niyang ibida sa akin, guys? Ano ba yan? What are you, playing?
Bioshock is called that one.
Bioshop?
Yeah, Bioshock second.
Ganyan. Yan yung mga gusto-gusto niyang laruin eh. Ako, gusto ko manood ako. Sige, you play there, okay? And I'm going to watch. Bine? Bine? May donut pa pala kami dito, guys. Baka kainin mo? You want to eat
What love?
the donuts?
Da.
Okay. Of course, I want also. Kakainin namin to ngayon. Manonood lang ako. I-prepare ko lang yung papanoorin ko.